Rotational moulding is a method of manufacturing products or components using a combination of heat and biaxial rotation to distribute polymer inside a mould. There are three parts to the process: preparing the mould for loading and unloading, heating and cooling. The first stage in the process is to attach a mould to a rotational moulding machine. Powdered polymer is then poured into the mould before it is shut and sealed. When the machine starts, the arms rotate and the plate spins, rotating the mould on two axes. The rotating mould moves into the heating area, where it remains for a set period, before moving into the cooling chamber, where air and water are used to control the cooling speed. Once cooled to the correct temperature, the arm rotates to the loading area, where the finished product is removed and more polymer is added to the mould, ready to start again. Corilla Plastics are expert rotational moulders, with more than 40 years' experience creating products and components from our factory in South Wales. We'd be delighted to hear about any projects that you have.